physicians per capita, especially stressing the more rural areas like in Orofino, where a round trip to the doctor means 6 hours in a car. 6 on Your Side's Jessica Taylor shows us how the medical community is expanding in Idaho, but it still asks the question, is enough being done to meet the need?
Idaho College of Osteopathic Medicine gives Idaho students preference when it comes to interviews, with the hope they'll choose to practice in the state. But they won't be able to see those effects until they complete residency. So in the meantime, groups like Primary Health Medical Group are recruiting more physicians to the state. 192.6. That's the number of active physicians per 100,000 people in the state of Idaho.
The entire state of Idaho is struggling with a physician shortage.
The state is struggling to keep up with the community's medical needs and the rest of the country, ranking 49th in the number of physicians and 46th in the number of primary care physicians.
Rural areas are hit hardest. There are many small towns with community hospitals or critical access hospitals that have one physician or two physicians and are struggling to keep any and all medical staff.
Several entities around the state are trying to combat the issue, one being Primary Health Medical Group.
We are now up to about 450,000 patient visits per year.
They're opening 3 new clinics by 2021, 2 in Boise, 1 in Kuna.
The reason we're locating out there is, again, there isn't a lot of health care in that location, but also that is an area in which many new homes are going up.
The new clinics bring more physicians and jobs to the Treasure Valley, totaling 60 new jobs. Another way to get more physicians to the state is having more students go to medical school in the state.
We give preference to Idaho students to come to ICOM. If you're an Idaho student and you have a GPA over 3.2 and an MCAT over 500, you'll be guaranteed an interview.
The clinics are addressing needs in the Treasure Valley, but ICOM students are helping alleviate the stress in rural Idaho through telehealth, which allows patients to speak with medical professionals through their computer. Students learn it in their 3rd and 4th year rotations.
It is a big thing, not just in Idaho, but across the country.
The new primary health clinics in Boise are going up at the corner of Cole and Fairview and at Cole and Victory starting spring 2020. Live in studio, Jessica Taylor, 6 on Your Side.